nagagamit ko yun para makapag-communicate sa
Ay, kuya, wait lang.
Sige, kuya.
tao na kailangan ko. Mga kababata. Siyempre, kung may mga emergency, pwede ka mag-DM sa mga sa tao ko. Kung may emergency na kahit nasa malayo na mag-check ko na yun. Ano ba? What is the important profession? Sa profession ko, siyempre, katulad ng yung computer na gamit namin sa CCTV. Madetect namin yung mga tao na gumawa ng mga krimen. Siyempre, kung wala yung computer, hindi namin magagamit yung CCTV para malaman kung tao dito, sino yung tao gumawa ng krimen na yan. Tapos siyempre, malalaman din namin yung background niya. Pag nag-background check kami, siyempre, malaman na. Kung nakita na namin yung tao, malaman na yung pangalan. Pwede na malaman yung background check niya gamit yung computer. Kung meron na siyang Facebook. That's the application. Facebook. Siyempre, Facebook, siyempre, marami ka pwede pang gamitan eh. Tapos mo lang yung pangalan, malaman mo na kung nasan. Kung ano yung ng tao. Siyempre, background check. Yung profile niya, malaman mo.
Ano pong name?
Dennis Patrick.
86. Of internet in your life or in your personal life.
Disgrasya. Hindi ako marunong mag-internet eh. Yung cellphone ko, ano pa rin eh. Oh, paano yan?
Okay lang.
Internet kasi...
What is the important?
Oh,
What is
5110
the
yung ano eh.
importance of computer in your profession?
Ang ano ng computer kasi high-tech na tayo ngayon. May tutulong ng computer. Mas mabilis ang proseso.
What is the application or software you use in communication using internet? And why you using that application? Example po, Facebook, Yahoo, email.
Wala ako na, pasensya na. 5110 nga lang yung gamit eh, paano yun? Walang wifi yun, walang... Wala, hindi ako muna mag-internet eh. Paano ba yan?
Thank you po.
Eh, nung araw kasi wala na.
Security guard at project market. Communication natin for other countries like Philippines. Dali tayo dali tayo meron ng communication sa mga documentation, nagawa ng mga report. Sometimes, ito makikita may kaya computer from other mga like Ayala, at least kung may problema rin, may same problem sa kanila, may ito lang internet.
Thank you.
I'm Peter.
Age po.
Between 33 and 34.
Profession.
Consultant.
Ano po? Tanong ka, what is the importance of internet in your life?
Yun naman, it connects people.
What is the importance of computer in your profession?
A lot.
What is the application or software you use in communication using internet and why?
Most likely, Gmail. Use Facebook, Viber, sa mga clients. Tango. Tango. Meron ba?
Thank you po.
Tanong, di ba?
Ryan ko? Age.
30.
Profession.
Since manager.
Sige, ito yung what is the importance of internet in your life?
Effort talaga. Well, if I'm looking for clients, usually I contact them through the internet, email, and Facebook, so, medium of communication.
Pangalawa, what is the importance of computer in your profession?
Like I said, medium of communication, and then at the same time, advertisements, and even clients. We do generate clients.
What is the application or software you use in communicating using internet and why?
Well, yung mga applications like yun nga, sa Facebook, yung mga internet browsers, well, very very common naman na yun yung gamitin mo to be able to connect to the internet.
Thank you po. Age po.
21.
Profession.
Ito, consultant.
What is the importance of internet in your life?
Importance of internet makes closer to everyone kasi you can reach yung mga tao around the world and mas maganda siya kasi libre. Mas maraming libre.
What is the importance of computer in your profession?
Computer important siya kasi you get to communicate with clients.
What is the application or software you use in communicating using internet and why?
Mostly email and then Viber. Kasi usually yun din yung mga ginagamit ng clients. Viber, free message, free.
Pangalan ko po, Jenny Sari. Jenny Sari. Doon na kayo, titignan niyo po ako. Age ko. Ano age ko? 19. Ano po? Course? Ay, course. Civil Engineer from TUP, Lagi Campus. Civil Engineer. Okay. What is important of internet in your life? Internet, super important siya kasi lalo as student kasi pagka particular sa mga assignment, project, so reference talaga yung internet. Ano talaga siya, applicable as student. What is the importance of computer in your profession? As a profession ko kasi, major ko yung AutoCAD as civil engineer. Kasi yung AutoCAD kasi, ina-apply namin siya sa mga building structure. So, kailangan ko talaga ng computer. What is the application software you use in communicating using internet? Ano daw? What is application software you use in communicating using internet? So, hindi naman kasi ako aware din. Commonly kahit ano basta talaga ma-apply ko siya sa communication. Kahit anong form ng software, basta at least ma-apply ko siya in way of communicating. Hindi ko maano particular sa software. Kahit ano.
Gabriel Angelo Cadigo.
Age.
18. Sorry.
Profession.
Student na lang po. Mechanical engineering. From PUP.
Yung tanong ko, what is important of internet in your life?
Internet is very important because parang internet na yung best friend ko eh. Kasi may assignment ako. Sa kanila ako nagtatanong, sa kanila ako nagsasearch. Yun. Madami akong natututunan dahil sa kanila.
What is the importance of computer in your profession?
Ayun, kasi computer malaking bagay yun. Hindi na ako nahihirapan sa paggawa ng assignment, saka sa mga project. Tapos, para pang-entertain ng sarili ko. Galaro kasi ako ng addict.
Last question. What is the application or software that you use in communication using internet and why?
For communication. Siguro Facebook lang, bro. Sa Facebook lang nakipag-communicate sa iba. Kasi yun yung pinaka parang common na rin, tsaka pinakamadaling way para makipag-communicate sa ibang.
I'm Teresa Gagame, 6 years old. First year college in Philippine State College of Aeronautics. The importance of internet in our life is communicate or easily communicate with other people, and by using the internet, you can communicate to other people and search all the things that we need to know, especially if we need to search something, especially for our students to gather information in internet, by using internet. What is the importance of the importance of computer in my profession is to help me or to help me easily gather information. For me as a student, it is very important for me to have a computer so that I can easily gather information, especially to my assignments and projects. What is the application software you use? Microsoft, some of Facebook and stuff. Of course, Facebook and Google, especially Google when I have assignments or projects that they need to do.
Morning po.
Morning.
Name po.
My name is Alan Julius Bertania. I'm 28 years old. Call center agent.
Question po is number 1. What is the importance of internet in your personal life?
Internet is very important. It keeps me connected to my friends, family, and it keeps me updated on things that I'm interested about and the trends in our society.
What is the importance of internet in your
It's very important because it keeps us connected to our database and to our customers, which is all around the world. So that's where we need the internet.
last question? What is the application? What application or software that you use in communication and why?
Personally, in my personal life, I use, well, of course, normal browser. And I use Skype, Chica sometimes. I use them because it's very convenient, and like what I said, it connects me to my friends and family, and keeps me updated about stuff in that.
Great, very professional, call center. So sir, my question, what is the importance of internet in your life? What's the importance of internet? Talaga. Hindi ko kaya buhay talaga. Hindi ko na. Mas namamadali, mas napapadali yung gawa. In your profession, what is the use of computer? Kaya ano niya sa amin very important. Pero may disclose. Hindi kasi gumagamit kami ng system. So, yun na. Yung mga application dapat. Sir, next. What application software you use? Para sa inyo po siya ginagawa?
Sa paggawa ng mga Profession, I'm a call center, pero profession right now. Internet, ano ba? Kasi right now, since modern things tayo, yung internet, it help us sa searching information, and then, checking on the syempre social life, mawawala yan, Facebook na lahat naman ata meron. And then, ano pa ba? Actually, nakakatulong kapag meron ka gustong reservation, hotel reservation, airline tickets. Ang dami, napaka-helpful. Instead of you going to the store to purchase things, pwede mo siyang gawin na lang online.
Season na call center. So, ano yung use ng computer sa profession?
Sa amin, napakalaki. Kasi since call center kami, accounts na hinahandle namin is US based. So, ginagamit namin yun for access yung certain website na technically hindi natin alam kasi nga local tayo, Filipino. So, yun, check nito. Parang matutunan kung ano yung ginagawa ng mga US, mga Americans na ito natin ginagawa.
Ayun naman po application sa pagkakita.
Sa amin ang dami. May Java, may Excel, and then website, mostly internet. Tapos, even installation ng software, ginagawa natin. For example, yung software, you need to check kung updated pa siya. And then, yung mga visual, merong simulation na makikita mo online, na pwede mo makita online. So, instead of using the normal books and papers, bawal kasi sa amin yun sa emails. So, online lang talaga yung communication. Also, email, kailangan natin for that.
First and foremost kasi, syempre kailangan ng updates. Nasabi ko sa teaching, about strategies. So, kasi sa internet, ito yung makakuha ng strategies, hindi lang dito. So, kahit sa ibang bansa. So, software din na nagagamit ko. Download. And of course, social networking. Yeah, Facebook.
What is importance of computer in your profession?
Ayun nga, as I have said earlier, doon ako nakakuha ng different strategies in teaching. Nakakuha rin ako ng mga software pag ina-apply ko yung ICT sa teaching.
What is application software using that application software?
Sorry?
Communicating using internet and why you using that application?
Communicating sa socially or sa profession ko. Ayun, mostly kasi Facebook lang ako. Well, sa email, yung Yahoo, Gmail. Yun lang.
Thank you.
Abby Gilmogol. Age, I'm 20 years old. I'm in the education.
What is importance of internet in your life?
Of course, I use internet to communicate my friends, of course, and then my loved ones. It can also help me to know the latest issues, news, trending, kung ano yung trending ngayon.
What is important of computer in your
Profession. Of course, it can help me to have a new strategies to teach the students, new techniques, how to solve the math. Of course, especially mathematics teacher ako. Saka, ayun.
What is the application you use in communicating using internet?
Application software. Yahoo, Facebook, and then Yahoo, Google.
And why you use that?
So, of course, Facebook, syempre, marami akong friends doon. So, doon ko nakikita yung latest, kung ano yung latest sa kanila, kung ano yung latest news about sa kanila. Then, Yahoo, through email by my heads, for example, the exam, they email me or anything else about my profession.
Thank you po. Name po.
Me, Norman Jude Dipan.
Age.
24 years old.
Profession.
PE teacher.
Yung question mo. What is important sa internet in your life?
Tulad nung sagot ko dun sa nag-interview sa para sa akin kasi hindi naman kami hindi ako madalas gumamit talaga ng internet. Una wala kami internet. Kaya hindi ako makagamit. Pag gumagamit na akong internet for Facebook or communication, kung napalit tayo for communication kasi mga old friends mo, classmates mo during your high school, elementary, and college. Source kasi yun pagka mayroong kailangan ka. Kasi pagka trabaho, yan, hindi malalakit ka.
Next question. What is the importance of computer in your life?
Kung sa question yung tanong, hindi siya ganun kahalaga. Kasi nga PE, more in physical activities kami. Ang importance lang yan is dun sa research. Pero, malakas yung computer, di ba? Meron mga machines na kinakailangan para kumpitin yung isang bagay sa physical activities. So, out of 100% siguro mga nasa 60 lang. Ganun lang pala.
Last question. What is the application you use in communication using internet and why?
Yun, sabi ko kanina, Facebook. Kasi nga, yung mga friends ko, ako communicate sila. Kasi nga, walang time para magkita-kita. Kasi nga, lahat kami may trabaho na. Through Facebook, dun ko may nagkakaroon ng communication.